Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting essentials ready. Make sure your Chromecast with Google TV is powered and on the correct HDMI input, and that your controller has sufficient charge and is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Once done, open Settings on the Chromecast and go straight to Remotes and Accessories so the device can scan. Doing this first removes common connection blockers and speeds the process. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and no other nearby devices are actively pairing, because interference can hide the controller during the initial scan. Next, select Add Accessory and watch the available device list. Scanning can take 10-30 seconds. Put the controller into pairing by holding its dedicated pairing button until the LED indicator blinks, then choose the controller name on screen to pair. Once paired, the system may prompt for firmware updates. Accept those to fix compatibility and latency. Finally, open the controller settings to confirm button mapping and input lag. This step ensures games receive correct inputs and improves stability before you start playing. To finish, run a short input test or launch a game to confirm every button and the analog sticks respond reliably. This validates the pairing and mapping. If you notice dropped inputs or lag, reboot both the Chromecast and the controller, then repair. Often a simple restart clears Bluetooth glitches. If pairing still fails, unpair nearby Bluetooth devices or remove old pairings on the controller. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the controller. That single troubleshooting tip, restart and repair, solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.